In this video, we'll be implementing some behaviors to our enemy AI. To start out, we'll create a new script, call it enemy AI behaviors. Once you've done that, go ahead and open it up. To start off, we'll need an enum, call it states. States we're using are patrol, flee, chase, and stationary. We'll go ahead and create a variable for it, call it AI states. We'll set it to patrol by default. Next, we'll need a transform variable, call it tTarget. Then we'll need a vector3, call it vTarget. In our update, we'll use a switch statement to go through our states. So, switch AI states. First case, chase. Then we'll run a chase function, which we haven't created yet. You can copy and paste for the rest. Next will be flee. We don't have that function yet, so we'll have to create it later. Next up is patrol, and it will run a patrol function. And finally stationary. Once you've done that, we'll create our patrol function. And for our patrol, we'll take our code from the patrol AI that we created earlier, bring it in, get everything within the update function, bring it into our patrol, except take those out, and put them into our update, and take this top half of the if statement, minimize that, and we'll create our chase function. Change our if statement to check for if our current transform dot position is not equal to our target transform dot position. Then we'll assign our vector3 target variable to our transform target position. Change that to our vector3 target. That's fine. I'm going to switch this one around. Take that from there and put it up here. Take out the else. And we'll need an else statement here. Set our velocity to 0. And go ahead and take that top part of the if statement again. Minimize the chase function. We will now create the flee function. Essentially do the opposite of chase. And the best way to do that is just change it from a minus to a plus sign. And for our stationary, we'll set our velocity to vector3.0 so it stops moving. And once you've done that, go ahead and save it, open it up in Unity and test it out. Now to test this out, we'll need to create a target for our enemy. Move it off to the side. Then we'll need to assign our script, assign our target to our target transform, assign our waypoints, set our speed. So you got that, go ahead and press play. You can see right now our state is set to patrol, so our object is patrolling. If you're to make it stationary, it'll stop moving. Set it back to patrol, and he'll continue patrolling. If you're set to chase, it will now go after our player and move our player around. We'll still chase it. If we were to set it to flee, it will run away. And set it back to patrol, and it'll keep patrolling the way it was. And with that, you have successfully implemented some behaviors to our enemy AI. In this chapter, we learn how to create enemy AI, first by creating a stationary AI, then a patrolling AI, and then we implemented some behaviors to that AI. In the next chapter, we'll be learning how to create some level changing systems. First will be a collision-based level changing system, then a GUI-based system, and then a random level changing system.